Now, if I wanted to rebuild this, I'm gonna have to start from scratch. But if I had a fusion reactor like Fusion Biotec does, I could start from the foundation. I'd have all these little pieces already put together.
Reactor and the core library's main benefit, I think, is speed.
One of the great advantages here with Fusion is we've developed a massive code base. We have a lot of modular code we can simply pull from and quickly iterate and develop without having to build from scratch each time.
That's cool, right? But what is the fusion reactor?
It's a module that it can talk to our firmware. They all use a very common communication scheme, so Reactor understands that, knows how to communicate with all of our firmwares. It knows how to do basic functionality like firmware upgrades, and it kind of packages all of this in a nice Python module that any of our clients or that we can just import and say, Reactor, send this message to our firmware, or Reactor, upgrade the firmware on this device.
Some of our most impressive code is our communication code base.
We'll write often in C#, JavaScript, anything like that. And if there's the language barrier almost between our Python module, then we have TCP interfaces to the module as well. So the applications written in C# can still use our Python module via TCP interfaces.
There's different purposes in the software, and all this software that we develop and we use as almost cookie cutter pieces for new projects, that is what we call our core library.
Without those kind of two libraries, two modules, we'd have to do a lot more from scratch for every project before even electrical and mechanical could finish their testing, before the design could be finalized.
And this is something that we've been constantly iterating and improving, and the current clients are seeing the latest and greatest of it.
Thanks for watching.